yourself. What are you laughing at? Honestly.
Please.
One more time and that's it.
Okay.
Where is it? I don't even... You are mental. You are mental. Oh my gosh. Are you mentally retarded? For real. Oh my... What? You have had no sleep or something. Jacob, are you that tired? Really? Okay, that's
no, I do this one. This one.
That one's sweaty.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Wipe it off.
Here.
It's disgustingly sweaty. I can't believe you want to sit there and torture yourself with me tickling. That's retarded. I can't. It's so slippery. It's or sticky. It's hard for me to tickle. Oh my god! I can't do it if you're backing up. Now you're tickled out. Okay, Jake, that's enough. Mentally retarded.